If you prefer to keep your iPad in vertical orientation, you can thumb type the way you may on a phone with a split keyboard. To get a split keyboard, tap and hold the keyboard icon to the bottom right of the screen. Then select Split Keyboard. You can now use your thumbs to type. You can also reposition the keyboard by holding down on the button that hides the keyboard and dragging it up and down on the screen. This can be useful if the size of your hands and your grip make it difficult to type with the keyboard at the bottom of the screen. To dock the keyboard back to its normal state, press and hold the keyboard key to the bottom right, then select Dock and Merge.